can confirm these absolutely fire to run in, man. They feel flat, planted, and firm, but at the same time, they're like they just feel like you're just gliding over stuff without being too squishy like some running shoes. So these are fire. They're whiskey approved, as you can see. He's already smelling them up, trying to see how he can cook them. He cooked these shoes when he was a puppy, when he was a little guy. But I think it's time I retire these, or just let whiskey keep cooking them, honestly, and not get upset. But these are going high on the shelf. On Cloud Surfer Max running shoes. They get my stamp of approval. And badass colorway, man. Absolutely sick. Look at that. Let's go. What's going on, guys, and welcome to a brand new video. TechLift here. Today I'm bringing you guys along for a day in the life December 2025 edition. Now, as you guys know, this channel is based around tech, and I've slowly incorporated my active lifestyle, dirt biking videos, workouts here and there, and the occasional mountain bike video. But at the end of the day, this is a tech and lifestyle channel, so this is exactly what that video is about. Today I'm bringing you guys on a normal kind of weekend type of, day in the life. This is what I normally do on the weekends. I start off my mornings by taking some pre-workout, going on a run, doing some sort of cardio, get the blood flowing, taking care of my pup, walking him, whatever it is. And then during the day at some point, I like to either do chores or I like to get out and do a hobby, whether that's mountain biking, dirt biking, hiking, rucking, the occasional hunting whenever in season. But at the end of the day, I am all about living an active lifestyle, being healthy, bettering myself, and also de-stressing and taking care of my mental. And that includes not thinking about anything, shutting off all the serious stuff, and maybe going for a bike ride, maybe going for a dirt bike ride, hike, whatever it is. Or maybe it's just gaming, jumping on the sticks with the boys, playing some zombies, playing some COD, Warzone. Recently, Fortnite, believe it or not, 30-year-old man jumped on Fortnite for the first time about a month ago and have been hooked on it. Super cool game. Now, by hooked, I mean I got second place, my first battle royale solo, and occasionally I play maybe once a week, just 1 or 2 games, depending on how fast I die. But no shame in the game. I do not care. I've had fun. It's brought the child in me out of me, and really just been enjoying myself and de-stressing at the end of the day. Again, back to the whole message of this channel, pretty much just to show you guys some text stuff that I'm using currently that's making my life a little easier, maybe optimizes my life a little in some way or another, or solely for entertainment and leisure, such as this mountain biking, dirt biking, etc. So I hope I can inspire you guys to better yourselves, get out there. I know a lot of people are intimidated by, getting healthy, exercising, or just living an active lifestyle in general. And the biggest piece of advice that I can give you guys is just get out there and do it. Before I started, mountain biking, I didn't know anybody that mountain biked. I had maybe a buddy or two that kind of dabbled in it. They gave me some pointers, and I just kind of got out there and did it. And you learn as you go. Same with a bunch of stuff, right? Working out, whatever it is. I kind of just jumped into it and learned as I went. Now, I encourage you guys to take the leap of faith into that new hobby, that new thing you're wanting to start. Maybe you're looking into getting a gaming system and you're not a video game guy, you're not sure if you like it. Biggest tip is look up a website that has a good return policy, get a gaming console of your choice, whether that's Xbox, Nintendo Switch, hint, hint, maybe that's coming on the channel soon. They look enticing. PS5 or something, and just give it a go. See if you like it. And maybe you don't like one particular gaming system. Don't shut out the whole gaming thing in general. Maybe try a different console. Maybe you're an Xbox guy. Maybe you're a PS5 guy. I've always been an Xbox guy myself. Tried the PS5. Really liked it, but I just feel like I just don't have time to just really use the full potential of the PS5. Don't worry, guys, it's still on my list. I will be getting that, or the PlayStation, ecosystem in the future. But yeah, just try it out, dabble in it, and then just give it a good go, right? Commit to it for like at least 30 days, maybe 60 days, whatever it is. But yeah, return policy is huge. If you absolutely hate it, you can always just return it, get your money back, or store credit, etc. But anyways, just like the tech, active lifestyle, healthy lifestyle is the same thing. Just get into it. Just do it. Don't tell anybody. Just do it for yourself. Gain a little bit of confidence. Learn on YouTube. Learn on, reading, books, Audible, whatever it is. And just keep trying. Keep practicing. And maybe you find something new that you like and it's, exciting and you fall in love with it. The art of progression is the biggest thing for me. Progressing at something is so fulfilling, rewarding. Gets your mind off of, the normal day-to-day stressors, your 9-to-5 job. If you have kids, or if you're going to have kids soon, whatever it is, hobbies like this are what keep us sane. And at the end of the day, they just allow us to just be the best version of ourselves at the end of the day. We're not taking out our stresses on somebody, a loved one, whoever it is. So that's kind of the message with this little day in the life, guys, is just find those things that add value to you and that just bring out the best in you so you can be the best version of yourself for those other people. You guys might think this is cringe or whatever. You're just riding your bike or you're playing video games. At the end of the day, it's what I do to de-stress and decompress and really just show up as the best version of myself for those people that I care about. So anyways, rant over. Enjoy the rest of the video. All right, guys, now on to the portion of the video that you guys are probably here for, and that is the tech, Xbox, gaming, and just overall lifestyle, I guess, section of the video. Now let's talk recommendations. Last video I said give me recommendations on a TV. Well, this video I need some more recommendations on a TV and maybe recommendations on a new monitor. 2026, I'm looking to upgrade. I'm looking to make some moves on this channel, and I'm gonna need your guys' help. Maybe you guys have these things, the TV, the monitor, or maybe you want me to get it, try it out, review it, and let you guys know my honest opinion. So it's kind of a win-win here, guys. Maybe you guys can have me bite the bullet before you guys do, right? So I've had the same TV for, I want to say, 2 years now, maybe a little under 2 years. The same monitor for well over at least 3 years for sure, and it's done nothing but done me right, and I absolutely love the thing. It's only 1440p, which is the only downside, and now that I've played my Xbox on a 4K TV, I did notice the difference. Don't get me wrong, this monitor is still great. I edit videos on it, I game on it, I watch YouTube videos on it, but I'm kind of just looking for that little step up. I've been a little spoiled with my iPad, the screen resolution on my iPad Pro, the screen resolution on my HP Spectre, which is the best resolution I've ever had on anything, and then also the resolution on my LG 55-inch TV. Now, don't get me wrong, a lot of people were saying look into the LG OLEDs, the C3s, etc. That's like literally the goal in like the dream TV setup, but right now, $2,000 to $3,000, I don't know, man. Like, that's maybe we can make it happen in 2026, but to be fairly transparent, the 55-inch 4K LG TV that I have was literally like maybe $300. It was definitely under $500, and I want to say maybe there's a good chance it was under that $300 mark. Now that just goes to show you can get a quality product at a quality, affordable, super affordable steal of a price if you just do your research and do your homework and you can come up on something like that, still have a quality product from a brand that's, going to last you years, and also have, the specs and the quality, the, features that you're looking for without breaking the bank. So a lot of you guys probably didn't know that that TV was under $300, maybe under that $500 mark. And that's basically, what I did. I'm a bargain hunter at the end of the day. And whenever I do, come up on a good find, especially with tech, I share it with you guys. So that TV, guys, let me know in the comments if you want to know exactly what model it is. It's a weird, like, bunch of numbers type of model, but it's LG. And I went with LG because it's tried and true, reliable. I really like the interface. Now, the interface on this particular TV that I have isn't the greatest. It isn't the worst. That's kind of why I'm looking to upgrade and maybe put that TV like in my garage, for when Supercross is on, or whenever I'm in my garage, tinkering with my bow, or my dirt bike or mountain bike, whatever it is, have like a YouTube video on or something, and good quality TV, and that sort of thing. So I do want to upgrade. I'm looking for at least 65 inches next, maybe 75. I've seen a 75-inch TV, and that would take up my entire wall in my living room, which would be sweet. And considering it would be a resolution upgrade, just a better panel in general, I am all about that. But it does have to be LG, preferably. I know there's a lot of Samsung people, there's Vizio people out there. Let me know your experience with those and kind of compare and contrast in the comments, guys. I really take your feedback seriously, just because I feel like we're all here for the same reason, that tech, and we're looking for the best bang for our buck. I know a lot of you guys are parents, younger parents. Maybe, you're on a budget like me sometimes, and you're just trying to maximize your funds and still get, the best quality item that you can possibly get. So that's on the list for 2026. Next on the list for 2026 is possibly a new monitor. Now, between a monitor and a gaming console, I'm kind of leaning toward a gaming console. I almost want to get the black Xbox Series S, the one with like the 1 terabyte storage, mainly for the channel, but also for just the convenience of not having to switch games. Now that I am, just shorter on time than I was in the past, I don't want to spend a ton of time downloading games to the actual Xbox and transferring between my hard drive and that sort of thing. I'm kind of opting more toward that convenience side of things. Sometimes I'm trying to play that Assassin's Creed throwback game, Viking game, and other times I'm trying to, play Warzone with, my friends. Sometimes they want to randomly play zombies, and I have to like pre-plan, a couple days in advance to, transfer games, make room on the storage. Don't get me wrong, this little beast of an Xbox will not be going anywhere. I will probably use this thing up until it like literally blows up. But I'm thinking about that Xbox, the black one, Series S still, just more storage. Or maybe the X. Maybe I just make the full leap to the X. If I do make the full leap to the X, you best believe I'm going to have an upgraded TV. So that just kind of has to come together, and you guys will watch every step of that. Also, guys, I've been eyeing the Nintendo Switch, mainly for the channel. I've never been a Nintendo Switch GameCube guy or anything like that, but it looks enticing, looks appealing, and the resolution on those games looks awesome. Fortnite looks freaking awesome on the Series S. I can only imagine what it's like on like a PS5, a Series X, or that Nintendo Switch. Let me know what you guys want to see more of on this channel, guys, and I'll try to make it happen in 2026. I'm trying to do some personal upgrades as well as hook you guys up with some good content. So alright, guys, that's going to go ahead and do it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this day in the life type of video. Let me know if you guys want me to do more of these, but again, I need your suggestions on the tech upgrades that I should make for 2026. Drop them in the comments. Christmas week video coming soon. Be on the lookout for that. Let me know what you guys want to see. Follow me over on Instagram. Message me any questions about my setup, questions in general, and I will catch you guys in the next one.